Hi guys, it's Miss Helen. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in the last 2 weeks. I've been trying to find a way to make you guys happy, and I think the best way to do that today is to show you how to make ice cream. Yes, ice cream. You don't have to just get it from a box in the store. You can make it yourself, and it's super easy. And we're gonna use a little science today, and it's super quick and not that many ingredients, parents. So if you guys can make this, that's great. Let me know how it is in the comments below if you do try it, and if there are any other suggestions for future videos, please let me know and give me a thumbs up. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the science part, because we want this to be super cold. We're going to use ice, but to make ice even colder, you use salt. And when you mix those two together, it makes it super cold. So first we have about a pound of ice. I use just ice cubes that I made in a tray, put them in the Ziploc for a few days. After a tray gets cold, you put it in there, and it's about 2-3 trays. Just, you know, you can weigh it, or you could just, it's about a third of the bag of a regular gallon bag. So you need a gallon bag. You need ice inside, about a pound, and then we're gonna add a half a cup of kosher salt. You don't wanna, you could add sea salt, or there's also ice cream salt if your stores have them, but the reason why you want to use that type of salt and not table salt is it's not going to get as cold, and you need this super cold. That's the most important thing in this whole thing. So the fun thing about this is you get to shake things up. So you can have your kiddos do this, shake it up, make it nice and cold, and get that ready and put it aside, because we're going to mix the actual ice cream ingredients. That's not going in the ice cream. Your ice cream is going to go into that. So we have another Ziploc bag. You can get a smaller Ziploc bag. I just have the same size. But you want one that you're able to put inside of that bag. So we have another gallon Ziploc bag. You can use a half gallon or a quart. And then we have a cup of cream. Okay, you can also use half and half, or even whole milk, but it might not come out as creamy, obviously, because it's not as full fat. I understand, you know, this is not, you know, diet friendly, but it's still better than buying it at the store and getting all those chemicals. So we have a cup of cream. We put that in the bag. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar. We'll put that in the bag. And we have a teaspoon of vanilla. We'll put that in the bag. Okay, do this, best part, shake it up. Okay, now that is mixed together, we're gonna put this bag into the ice bag, and then we're gonna shake it up for a very long time. Okay, so make sure there's no air inside of it. Try to get all the air out of the cream bag. You know, just so it can fit in one, but also that helps to give it, make sure that it gets nice and cold all together. So you want to put ice around it, and you're going to shake it up for a really long time. Okay, both bags together, and it's really cold. So if you need a towel, I suggest getting a towel, paper towel, something, and you're going to shake it for 5 minutes. This is why this is a great thing for the kids to do. It lets out so much energy. All right, come on. Okay, guys. So I think that is enough time. It is so cold. I set my timer, and 5 minutes has passed. So let's pull it out and see what we got. And look at that. Like, it's gonna be hard to see right now, but it is super creamy and cold. I'm gonna cut the ends of this. I'm gonna cut the end of the Ziploc bag because it'll be much easier to get out of there doing it that way. So cut a corner. This would have been nice if I like knew this ahead of time and put had a piping tip ready so I can like make like soft serve. Now at this point, I would say the consistency of this is about soft serve ice cream. If you would like it harder, I'm sure you can put it, at this point you can put it in the freezer and freeze it up so you can get hard ice cream. But for right now, I'm gonna show you how it looks. See that? Look at that. That is ice cream. That is ice cream. Okay. Look at all of that. And this would be a nice thing for 2 to 3 people that you can make. And it's only a cup of cream. It is only a cup. That is all. Cup cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and some vanilla. Now, if you want to make chocolate, you can add some cocoa in there. If you want to add some strawberries in there. I like to make strawberry cheesecake ice cream. That's my favorite. I do use an ice cream maker for that, but and if you have an ice cream maker, that's great too. You can do that as well. So I'm gonna eat this. Let's just take a little taste of it. Oh my god, so good. That is perfect. It might need to go in the freezer a little bit. You know, if you're piping it like that, but your hands are nice and warm, this is just enough cold. But if you want to put the bag in the freezer for a few minutes so it gets nice and cold before you put it in a bowl, that's great. Otherwise, this is a perfect, easy recipe to do with your family. The kids can help out. They'll love it afterwards, obviously. Put any toppings, sprinkles, whatever you want on top. But I hope you enjoy and come back soon. I will try to keep up with the weekly schedule of putting these up, even when we get back to normal. To all my CV friends, I can't wait to see you in July. And, you know, I will keep this up during the summer, I promise. You know, just so we all feel like we're together, okay? All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys. Joe, you want to come up and try some ice cream? So I can see you. Say hi. Okay? Try it.
Try it.
Let me know what you think.
Yummy.
Need sprinkles?
Nothing.
All right. Bye, guys.